Hi, this is Sema International Limited. Today we plan to ship silicone keypad to Spanish, and now we are in the final step of OQC inspection for shipment. As we can see that our quantity inspector is checking the size, appearance, and the color difference. This kind of keypad is used for thermostat. The material is silicone. The surface is silk screen. The back side is made of 3M adhesives. The appearance is very beautiful. And this side is sprayed with PU oil, which can protect the surface and increase the texture and the durability of the products very well. And this is our shipment. Okay, if you have any needs of silicone keypad, follow me please. Thank you. Bye bye.